Hi foodies! I have my mom with me here and she's going to show us a special recipe. Can you tell them what it is?
Sure. It is our Marathi recipe. It is called Batata Soong.
Shall we start?
Sure.
Let's go!
This recipe calls for a little more oil than usual as we are not using any water to cook. This is a tangy, sweet and spicy dish and packed with flavor. You can make this dish when you are out of veggies. This dish will be the best combination with the rice and rotis equally. The amount of curry depends on the amount of onions used. No need to cook down the onions. We will season this with minimal spices. A little goes a long way. Cook until the onions are translucent. Take a look at the description box for the detailed recipe. Now, tamarind pulp and jaggery will give this dish its needed tang and sweetness. Don't skip these. We don't need to add any water, but just 2 to 3 tablespoons is good enough. We will cover and cook to release the moisture. Wow, look at the awesome color. Now these are boiled and cubed potatoes which we are going to just cook down for a few minutes. Just heat through and we are done. Wow, just perfect. Batata Soong is ready to serve. Serve immediately. Thanks for watching.
Please do try this recipe at home. It's an authentic recipe. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Please try and let us know.
Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.